Before we are going to talk about Scratch programming, let's first understand what is programming. As we can see in the diagram, programming is the process when we create a program which contains instructions for the computer to execute. Computer is not that smart. It won't do anything if no one gives it instructions. You may already interact with many programs which are running as computer, mobile phone, or tablet applications. All these devices depends on programs to give them instructions. In order to do programming, we need to know at least one programming language. There are many different types of programming language available including C, Java, Python, and many more. Scratch is one of the programming languages. So, why do we choose Scratch to learn? It is because Scratch is designed for beginners, especially for children, and it is easy to learn when compared to other programming languages. Scratch is a visual block-based programming language. It means we just need to drag and drop code blocks to construct our programs, while many other programming languages are text-based programming languages and require us to load their language-specific features, keywords, and syntax. Now, let's take a look at the diagram which shows a simple Scratch program development and execution process. First of all, as a programmer, we create a program with instructions. Second, when the program is created, it will be stored somewhere in the computer. After this, we will start running the program, and the program source code will be translated into machine code understood by the computer. Next, computer will execute the instructions in the program. Lastly, the computer will return the execution result to the programmer. With the basic understanding of programming and programming language, now let's look at how we can start with Scratch. First, let's go to the website scratch.mit.edu. This is the official website where you can get most up-to-date information about Scratch. You can spend some time on this website to get more understanding of Scratch. Basically, the homepage banner image already tells you what you can do with Scratch. You can use it to create stories, games, and animations. Are you ready to explore Scratch now? Let's get into the Scratch development environment in the next video.